Last weekend, Blue Origin announced the crew flying on its NS-22 mission will include Dude Perfect co-founder Coby Cotton, Portuguese entrepreneur Mário Ferreira, British-American mountaineer Vanessa O'Brien, technology leader Clint Kelly III, Egyptian engineer Sara Sabry, and telecommunications executive Steve Young. Sara will become the first person from Egypt to fly to space. Mário will become the first from Portugal. Vanessa will become the first woman to reach extremes on land, sea, and air, completing the Explorers Extreme Trifecta, a Guinness World Record. Each astronaut will carry a postcard to space on behalf of Blue Origin's Foundation, Club for the Future, whose Postcards to Space program gives students access to space on Blue Origin's rockets. The club's mission is to inspire future generations to pursue careers in STEM for the benefit of Earth. This mission will be the 6th human flight for the new Shepard program, the 3rd flight this year, and the 22nd in its history. The flight date will be announced soon.